This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Sammy Broadway. Back on market due to financing. Beautiful new construction located in Lyons Creek. Modern farmhouse featuring 3-bed/2.5 bath. Walk-in closet and laundry off master. Walk-in pantry, granite countertops, bonus room, 18 feet vaulted ceilings, front-facing garage and more. Builder has already ordered materials for this home. Please text me for selection photos. Completion due March 2021. Lender may require flood insurance as property sits within 100 and 500 years. Flood plain. See Plat Map and documents. Builder has elevated the houses above the plain and designed flood gates in the crawl space. For more information.